Alright, secret DIY here. Today on this Fan Dabby Dozy episode, I'm going to be showing you how I've just put these cupboards in. Now the wife wants some more cupboards in, so that's what I'm going to do. So, I've decided from a DIY point of view is to actually get some carcasses and transform them into something that I did in my front row. But it's going to be much easier if I did that. So I got these from Howden's and I'm going to go onto that now. So with that said, let's get tracked on and I'll show you how I did it. So as you can see, down here, cut all the back out so I can get to my plugs, because what I am going to do is I'm going to make something later date. I'm going to show you that as well, like I was saying about how high the wires and that. But that's for now, so the plan is now everything's in solid, all been screwed in. It has been levelled, whether I've lost my level I don't know, but it was levelled. So yeah, that's still level, and it's level that way. So we're all happy days. So as long as you level that way, level this way, you get your sockets and whatever else. Because what I am going to do is I'm going to put this in, and we'll put the socket there down the side there, so I can get to it. So then I can, obviously I've got more extension there, and that's all going to be hid. So with that said, I'm going to start now putting all these bits and bobs in. And start getting it all ready. And I'll start putting all the nice things in and that. So let's get cracked on. So, I'm going to give you the rundown now of basically what I've been doing. Built the frame on top of here. That frame's on there now, so that can sit everything we worktop on. That's all sorted. I've gone in, marked all the doors out. I've put the doors on, marked the doors out. As you can see here, I'm going to be sticking that on eventually, but that'll be in a bit. I've put the base bottom bit on there. And I'm going to put everything around here, all sounds a pound. So the plan is now, I'm going to put a round over on here, nice round over. And I wanted to show you this. These are all different sizes at the moment. So I've got this one that'll be going on the bottom there. I've got this size that goes on the top, and I've got another couple. I've got obviously the two sides, and I've cut, like I showed you earlier on, I've cut this out as well, so that's been cut out. So, in order to obviously cut the different sizes and to get your angles, what I've got to do is I've marked where I want my external angle to come, which is obviously here. Mark my external angle there, and then what I've done is when I've marked there, I've just gone down like that. Now that is going to give me the angle, and I've done it on the other side as well, the opposite side. So when I put that on the chop saw, I'll just cut that angle off, and then I'll come to this bit here, and I'll find out where I want to go and I'll cut that angle, and then what will happen is I'll just marry my way around. But that you'll understand when I come to do it. It'll all make sense when I come to do it, and I'll show you. But I've explained it, I'll show you, and you know what I've done. Right, let's get cracked on with that. So what I've decided to do is to stick these on. Decided to stick these on, I've got them there. And I've cut 45s on each end. And with my bags I've got there, just start to stick it on now I'm open. I'll be able to use this glue, wood adhesive stuff here. Goes off within 5 minutes. Good stuff, to be fair. It says sets just in 5 minutes, so hopefully I just thought if I stick them on with a bit of frog tape, they should marry up. So my plan is to stick this one on, and then obviously this one on this side. I'm going to make all 4 the same size. So eventually I'll stick this one on, that one on, that one on, that one on. And once that's done, once it's all set, I can then start cutting these ones and put these on top. And like I said, I just put frog tape on to set them off. So hopefully I'll get them cut now, and then I'll start getting them stuck on. It's just a 45, dead simple, just what I've been doing all day anyway. And also as well, as you can see, I've got this round here now, so all that's done, all the way around here, all the way around there, so we're all sorted. So that said, I'll get cracked on. So that's ease on for now. I'm going to leave it for tonight. So tomorrow I'll come back when all these are rock solid. You can see that's already gone solid already. It's only been on about half an hour. So hopefully them should go off the same. And then all I'll do is put these on, and then I'll show you the finished product. So this is my other side. A little tip for you I never got to show you on the other side is this. Basically, I just want to show you this here. If I were you, across here at the bottom, I'd be putting a piece of wood. I put a piece of wood there, 1x1 I think it is, 25mm by 25mm, and I put it at the bottom. The reason is, and I've screwed it there. Now I'm getting a carpet in here. So in my other one, when I showed you on my other video, you can watch it, I'll put it at the end, like I said before. I'd land my floor, so it didn't matter. But this one I'm going to get a carpet in. So what's going to happen is, I think my cousin's going to be doing it. And my cousin does it day in, day out. And what they do is they come in, it'll take him 20 minutes to do this carpet. So he's going to come along with his bolster, and he's going to literally bash it in as hard as he can. And if I just put it in at the bottom like I have at the sides here, and I just screwed in the bottom, he just wiped that out. So for a little tip for you, I would put this to here, so when a carpet fitter comes, that basically it'll stop it from getting smashed in. And it's just a better job, you know what I mean, in case someone kicks it and knocks it by accident. So just a little tip for you, right? So I've come round ready to do the top. So what I'm going to do is basically, as I've measured the front, and I've measured the front of the cupboard, and the front of the cupboard is, well, the front is 99, which is 990, and the back is 1000. So I'm going to mark these up. Then on the plunge saw, I'm going to obviously cut this down to the sizes I want, and then that's ready to place. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to put a round over on the front. So I've finally got everything on, got everything done. I've got the top on now, at last. That's all sorted out, which you just see me obviously fitting and cutting down and all that good stuff. But I've put a round over on the front. Now what I want to tell you about is this. I've decided I'm going to put this on the front here. There, like so. But what I've got to do is I've got to put these on the end, like so, there. And the reason is because to make it a bit more of a detail. I didn't want it to go around there because of the way I've done it, it would look stupid. So I've got to do that, and then what happens is that it should go on like that, lovely. So I'm going to pin that on now with a bit of glue in that. And then yeah, that's basically it, that's all sorted. That's ready. But I've left the gap at the back, which you can probably might see. I don't know, I've left the gap at the back. The reason is because I'm going to hide all the wires. But I've got to do the same down there because I don't know what we're doing yet. We might do something. So I'm going to have them all in unison for when I put the dado rail going on the top to make a picture rail in the house. And that's the look the wife wants to go for, and you always have to stick with the wife, what she thinks. So with that said, I'd just like to turn around and say thanks very much for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and all that good stuff. Give us a thumbs up, that helps, and comments help as well. Anything you want to know, or anything people give me a load of rubbish on there as well. If that's what you want to do, well, that's up to you. But I just want to say thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.